Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Sierra and I am new to the YouTube community and have been doing a little bit of videoing these different eyeshadow looks. 4th of July is tomorrow, so I thought I'd go ahead and share one of my favorite 4th of July looks. So keep watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Guys, so right now I'm just applying a translucent powder below my eyes just in case any fallout occurs. I just don't want my cheeks turning any shades of blue. And so yeah, and I'm going to go ahead and take a jumbo pencil. This is NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and it is 604 in the color Milk. And I just apply that all over my lid. And now I'm currently looking for a brush and dipping it in a white powder. And I'm going to be using this to blend out that white so it's not too heavy. So we're just blending it out and then adding a little bit of a powder to set for the eyeshadow. Alrighty, so this is a blue shade that I actually got from NYX. I don't know the name of it. It was just a color that they let you pick out. But it is super pretty, and I just applied it to the crease of my eyes. So now we're taking the color Mint Chip, and this is from my Too Faced collection. It's the Chocolate Shop Cocoa Powder Infused Christmas in New York palette. I think it was just like a limited edition type of thing. But I'm also applying this to the crease of my eye. And now I'm just getting that white and touching up any where blue might have spilled. And this is the glitter I'm going to be using here in a minute. What I did is put this in a little bit of clear eyelash glue, and I'm just dabbing it onto the blue on my eyelids because I'm going to apply my glitter there. So with this brush, I'm just tapping in that blue pretty shimmer glitter. I believe I got this from NYX, but you can use any eye glitter that you like. And I'm taking this brush and kind of dispersing the glitter all over the crease of my eye. And taking this glitter pop from Too Faced, and I'm going to put this in my crease where the top of the white is, in between the blue. I really like this color. It just reminds me of fireworks, and I just wanted to interpret that into my eye look. I think it's a really pretty color, and I really like gold also. And then now I'm just tapping in extra blue glitter on top of that gold. Now I'm taking my Kylie Jenner. This is in color Bougie. And it's very bougie. It's the color I'm wearing on my lip. But what I'm going to do is get an eyeliner, an old eyeliner brush, and I'm going to dip it into the Kylie lip kit and apply it to my winged liner. And this is very messy. It got my eyelashes red and a little bit tedious to do, but if you take your time, I believe you can do it. Okay, and now I'm just adding mascara to darken up that red that is on my eyelashes, gosh. And then I'm applying some eyelashes. And boom, there are my eyelashes. Okay, so for the most part, we're almost done. We're going to take that blue and put it on the bottom of your eyelid. This is just the blue color, and I'm going to go back and dip this brush in glitter and add a little bit of glue to it, and then also put that at the bottom underneath my lash line. So we're putting on that glitter and adding some mascara. So we're taking that lip pencil of the Bougie color and we are applying it to the waterline of our eyes. Okay guys, so now I'm finally finished with my eye look. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the excess powder on my face. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit more bronzer in just to, it's been sitting there for a while. Just to re-bronze. Okay, so this is a finished look. It is very fabulous and ready for the 4th of July. Okay guys, so we are completely done with this look. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also follow me on any of my social medias, which are right here. If you like this video or want to see anything else, go ahead and leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching.